1 week. Month 2, winter. Let's see here, I should probably start with what I plan to do, and why. I don't know how though, but is that, really, important? So what, I plan, for now, to write a monthly journal of my time, here, in a different prison than the prison of the world as I knew it. Wow, saying prison could certainly be hyperbole, given the freedoms I have exchanged of the world for the freedoms of my consciousness, but right now, I do not agree. So why? Well, the only other, supposed, social connection I have here suggested I write, but I am not sure about the validity of that connection any longer. This place changes beings, watches beings, records beings. This place may even be entirely in my brain, for all I know. And that is terrifying. If I am alive because I think, do I simply think I am alive? Being here changed me, but I had to change to be here, so where do I go from here? That reminds me, I forgot when and where, which is understandable, because they are meaningless. Literally, I simply pick up a book, watch a screen, or close my eyes and I can go anywhere I want, a nice boon that comes with freedom of consciousness. So, imagine me wherever, whenever, and I am there, writing this and hopefully reaching somebody with my words. Hopefully. Bare bones done, foundation laid, onto the wrapping. Time has no meaning here, but, for my own sake, I will follow the age-old flow of seasons with regards to when I will write these journals. 3 months of each season, starting with month 2 of winter, because I honestly have only been in this new type of confinement for a month and have to start somewhere. Now, finally, the ribbon of recent events to finish everything off. I stepped through a door into the unknown. Exciting, right? Except this is a door that only opens one way, the point of no return. The beginning of the end of this struggle, called life. I had plenty of warnings to be sure, but curiosity and desire overpowered these, as is bound to happen to everyone. So here I am, stuck. What else? Reminisced and nubbed shoulders with memories and new allies, while eating some damn good food. I tried to answer some basic questions, thought I did a great job until I realized I was lost in and obsessed with my thoughts. I wrote down a bunch of names, hoping to connect with them, and eventually did while taking a shower every other day because I just didn't want to do more. Oh, and quickly fully embrace the power of sleep and dreams, 16 hours a day. That went down to 12 and now 7, if I am lucky, and honestly for no good reason. I'm quite tired. One dream was life-changing, setting me on the path I currently travel, and not for the better, but what can I do? Visited the future, the past, and finally the present, where I have been waiting, and waiting, and waiting, and am still waiting for something, anything to happen. Took some tests that reminded me of school and was given a rating that will decide what obstacles lie in my path moving forward. Only time will tell, I suppose. Huh? Oh yes, of course, how could I be so ditzy? Who am I? Well, for now, I am here and I have no idea what is real. Until next time, then.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share the video. That boosts us to create more videos.
And see you next time, guys.